Grade 5. Textbook of General Science. Chapter 1. Classification of living organisms. Based on Single National Curriculum 2020. Dear students, our next topic is Five Kingdom System. Five Kingdom Classification. Bilal went for morning walk with his brother. They stopped for rest in a nearby garden. Bilal saw something near the bench they were sitting on, and excitedly said, "Brother, see a white plant." He replied, "It is not a plant, brother, it is a type of fungus." "A fungus? But it looks like a plant," said Bilal. "Elder brother," answered, "our world has living things that are not just plants and animals. We have many microorganisms, like bacteria, fungi, etc. around us. Wide varieties of organisms are present on the earth. It is not possible to study each of them. So, there is a need to group them. We have classified all the living organisms into different kingdoms. But 5. Kingdom classification is the most accepted one. R. H. Whitaker was the scientist who divided all living organisms into 5 kingdoms. The classification is based on different criteria. Let us see the criteria used for the 5 kingdom classification. All living organisms are made up of cells, which are the basic units of life. After that, we see whether the organism is made of a single cell or many cell. All cells need energy for survival, and organisms get it from food. The manner in which organisms take the food is known as mode of nutrition, which is the next criterion for classification. 5 different kingdoms of organisms are Munera Kingdom, Protista Kingdom, Fungi Kingdom, Plants Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Munera Kingdom. These organisms are made of one cell. Their structure is also very simple. These include bacteria singular bacterium. Bacteria are found everywhere on Earth. Some bacteria can prepare their own food. Many bacteria obtain food from living or dead bodies. Some bacteria cause diseases in plants and animals. Protista are organisms, unicellular, but well-defined nucleus. And organelles, which mostly live in water. Protista kingdom includes amoeba, paramecium, and algae. Paramecium and amoeba are made of one cell. Algae are green, red, and brown in color. They may consist of one cell or many cells. Algae are found in rivers, ponds, and oceans. Fungi kingdom. Fungi are either unicellular or multicellular. They have cell wall, but they lack chlorophyll. Yeast is an exceptional fungi, which is unicellular. Fungi need moisture for growth. They are not green in color. They cannot prepare their own food. They absorb food from the place where they live. Rhizopus, called black bread mold, it grow on moist bread and fruits. Mushrooms. The mushrooms are large fungi, which look like umbrella. They grow on the piles of rotten matter. Some fungi are very large, like bracket fungi. Plants kingdom. The organism in plant kingdom are made of more than one cell. They are usually green in color. The plants have chlorophyll, which give them green color. Chlorophyll helps green plants to make food in the presence of sunlight. Flowering plant, pine, fern. Animal kingdom. This organism in this kingdom called animals. Animals are made of many cells. They cannot make their own food. They can move from one place to another.
It's a lifeline to all creatures, great and small.